In today's fast-paced world, staying on top of your finances is more crucial than ever. With increasing digital transactions and the constant threat of fraud, simply checking your bank balance once a day or once a week just doesn't cut it anymore. We need real-time information, instant updates, and immediate alerts to truly manage our money effectively and keep it safe. That's where real-time notifications and alerts come in, and Patriot Bank understands this need perfectly. They offer a robust system designed to give you unparalleled control and peace of mind over your finances. No more guessing, no more waiting until the next statement arrives. With Patriot Bank's alert system, you're always in the know, the moment it matters. But how do you set these up? How do you tailor them to your specific needs so you get the information that's most important to you? That's exactly what we're diving into today. In this comprehensive guide, we're going to walk you through, step by step, how to set up real-time notifications and alerts within your Patriot Bank account. Whether you prefer email, text messages, or push notifications through their mobile app, we've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at customizing your financial oversight, ensuring you're always informed and protected. So, let's get started and unlock the power of real-time financial awareness with Patriot Bank. Understanding the power of real-time alerts. Before we jump into the how-to, let's take a moment to appreciate why these alerts are so incredibly valuable. It's not just about convenience, it's about security, budgeting, and overall financial health. 1. Enhanced security. This is perhaps the most critical benefit. Imagine someone unauthorized using your debit card. Without alerts, you might not discover this until days later, by which time significant damage could be done. With real-time alerts, you'll know instantly if there's suspicious activity, allowing you to react immediately, report the fraud, and protect your funds. This proactive approach is your first line of defense against identity theft and unauthorized transactions. 2. Smarter budgeting and spending control. Are you prone to impulse purchases? Do you sometimes lose track of how much you've spent? Low balance alerts, or alerts for transactions over a certain amount, can be game changers. They act as your personal financial assistant, nudging you when you're approaching your spending limits or when a significant expense has cleared. This real-time feedback helps you make more informed spending decisions and stick to your budget. 3. Avoiding fees. Overdraft fees can be a real pain. By setting up low balance alerts, you can receive a heads up when your account is nearing zero, giving you the opportunity to transfer funds and avoid those costly charges. Similarly, you can set alerts for large deposits, ensuring you know exactly when funds become available, which can be particularly useful if you're waiting on a paycheck or a transfer. 4. Tracking important transactions, whether it's a large bill payment clearing, a direct deposit hitting your account, or a check finally posting. Knowing the exact moment these transactions occur can be incredibly helpful for managing your cash flow and ensuring everything is on track. 5. Peace of mind. Ultimately, real-time alerts provide peace of mind. Knowing that your bank is actively monitoring your account and will notify you of any significant activity allows you to worry less and live more. You're always in control, always aware. Patriot Bank's alert system is designed to leverage these benefits through various delivery methods, giving you the flexibility to choose what works best for your lifestyle. Now, let's get into the practical steps of setting these up. Method 1. Setting up alerts through Patriot Bank Online Banking. The online banking portal is often the most comprehensive place to manage your alerts. It provides a clear overview of all available options and allows for detailed customization. Step 1. Log into your online banking account. Open your web browser and go to the official Patriot Bank website. Locate the Login or Online Banking button, usually found in the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your username and password. If you haven't enrolled in online banking yet, you'll need to do that first. There's usually a first-time user or enroll now option that will guide you through the initial setup, which typically involves verifying your identity with your social security number, account number, and date of birth. Step 2. Navigate to the Alerts section. Once logged in, you'll typically land on your account dashboard or homepage. Look for a section or menu item labeled Alerts, Notifications, Messages, or similar. This is often found in the navigation bar at the top or side of the screen, or sometimes within the settings or profile section. For Patriot Bank, a common path is to click on the specific account you want to set alerts for from the home screen, and then look for an alerts option in the top right corner. Some banks use a system called Messenger or Notify for their alerts, so keep an eye out for those terms too. Step 3. Set up your contact options. Before you start selecting specific alerts, you need to tell Patriot Bank how you want to receive them. Look for the Contact Options or Delivery Methods section. Here, you can add and verify your email addresses and mobile phone numbers. For mobile numbers, you will usually be prompted to send an activation code to your phone. Enter this code back into the online banking portal to verify the number. This is a crucial step for text message, SMS, and push notifications. Step 4. Choose your alert categories and specific alerts. Now for the fun part, customizing your alerts. You'll likely see a list of alert categories. These typically include Account Alerts. This is where you'll find options related to your balance and transactions. Security Alerts. These are crucial for protecting your account from unauthorized access. Activity Alerts. Broader alerts for general account activity. Debit Card Alerts. Specific to debit card usage. Click on each category to expand and see the available alert types. Here are some of the most common and highly recommended alerts you should consider setting up. Low Balance Alert. This is a must-have. You can set a specific dollar amount, e.g., $100. If your account balance drops below this amount, you'll receive an alert. This helps prevent overdrafts. Patriot Bank might offer options for Current Available Balance, Only Posted Transactions, or Memo Available Balance, including pending transactions. We recommend setting up both if available for comprehensive coverage. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.